Hello, people from Texas. I have great news for all of you. There is a new pilot program that allows us to review the latest mini fridge, and it'll start in the state of Texas. I've applied in the program, and they sent in this fridge to review, and after my review, I can keep it. All I had to do was enter on their website and answer some simple questions. And the best part is that you'll know right away if you're selected or not. If you are selected, it'll ask to enter your delivery details. In my case, I got the fridge and over 30 drinks in less than 5 days. If you also want to apply in this program or you know someone that would like to get the latest mini fridge, share this video with him or the link in the description. I wish you all good luck, a great day, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.